Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, September 18th, 2025. Let's take a look at the ZND USDC market on the Zondacrypto exchange. This is daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks. Recently we got pretty nice jump to the upside. Some sort of the pullback to the upside on the market. The low of 28 cents, of course, was located here. Let me just mark it for the case. There you go. This is the low I'm talking about. So we got this low made on September 16th, possibly because of this slight consolidation here. The market found the support here a little bit, so we got the support, and then we went as high as 0.38. so if you take a look at here, you can see 10-cent rally, so that's not too bad. Nevertheless, the current situation is a little bit more complicated, because this candle here, as you can see, is pretty much red, right? So we got the movement to the upside that made a local high at 0.38 cents, and then reversal, full reversal to the downside. Dark cloud cover is has been made here. Nevertheless, it looks like a dark cloud cover, but it's not, because it's in the wrong place. But generally it looks like a dark cloud cover. We can say for sure that the bearish pressure is still being sustained on this market. So any attempt to rally higher is being used by the market participants to sell the ZND for better price. Basically, this is how it looks like right now. Why they went to the 0.38 is fairly unknown. Nevertheless, if we take a look at this technical line, for example, either here or maybe here or maybe here, you can clearly see that maybe market participants were testing the trend line basically, and the trend line resistance, because the market is still below the trend line. If we it doesn't matter actually where we place the trend line right now. We can go for the extremes, like I did for the newest price, which is here. The newest extreme high before this one was made was here. That's why this technical trend line looks like this. Nevertheless, despite of this fact, the market is still, the price is still below the trend line, and the trend line was clearly rejected, right? So the rally was clearly rejected, was capped at the level of 0.38, roughly around where the trend line is actually on this daily time frame chart. So we have the rejection, and now the question is whether the market will actually go somewhere from this level, or whether the market will move again towards the swing low from September 16th and break it even lower, right? So the next target, if this support is violated, maybe just maybe this local high of 22 might be useful, but that's just a very weak technical support. This one looks really better. So there should be some kind of pressure on bulls to hold this level, and then to try to rally higher again to break above the trend line. Very simple situation here on the market on the daily time frame chart. Very simple, because we got on the trend line, we got only the technical levels like a support, and of course the resistance, the major resistance that will change the situation on the market is roughly around here. This is the area where the market has been confused about the further movement, and it's before 0.40 or 0.41. Any breakout above this zone is bullish. It changes the bearish outlook and the downtrend, corrective downtrend, towards the more let's say hopeful for the bears outlook, which is of course bullish outlook with potential to continue the uptrend that is still in the background. Nevertheless, we can say straight on at the end of our analysis that this movement to the downside is no longer a part of this up swing. Okay, so this is completely different cycle, and it had been completed at the level of 0.48, and this is a corrective movement, which is completely different cycle that we are waiting for to be completed. Basically, this is a pullback, which is a part of this upward trend, right? This, for example, that's the same situation is with this, and with this. This one is not, because of the overbalance of price and time. It is too big in price. This down cycle is too big in price and in time to be a part of this cycle. So the first leg of a rally is done. Now the question is when and on what level the correction will be terminated, right? And then the other question is how long it will take for the market to resume the uptrend, right? So that's the situation on the ZND token. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.